Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, fabulous holiday season. Alright, so before I get into this video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge, and also the notification bell icon on the side so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first amazing ones to get a notification. So in today's video, I'm going to show you something, okay? If an African invites you over for tea, what should you expect? All right, I got you covered. My bread is ready. Okay, so if I'm a Ghanaian, okay, I'm speaking from a Ghanaian point of view. If I invite you over for tea, it's definitely not gonna be this kind of tea, okay? If you come to my house and I'm drinking this is detox tea. This is like dandelion root tea, okay? This in Ghana is not tea, all right? This, at least for me, I understand that in Ghana and Nigeria, this is what we call tea. You know, we Africans always do it best. So I have my Milo. I have my Milo. You scoop however much you want to. This one, when we make tea, there's no measurements. You scoop. At least let me go with 3 heaping teaspoon. You pour your milk. Pour the milk like there's no tomorrow. Then I like to mix. Some people like to mix the water and then the hot water before the milk. But I like to mix in my milk and my Milo. I don't add any sugar because there's already sugar in the Milo. And then in comes my hot water. So this is tea in an African home. If you go down, if you have an African friend and they're like, oh, let's have tea today, and then you go to their house, they serve you this kind of tea, and then you drink it with your pinky. Honey, you're in a foreigner's house, okay? You're not in an African home. And tea in my bread is almost like it's brown, okay, then burn. And tea is never complete in a Ghana home, let me be precise, without, of course, fried egg and bread. This is how we do it. You get your egg. I'm not the only one eating all this, so don't be looking at me and be judging me like this woman can eat for Africa. Oh Lord, thank you. So this is how usually when we say tea, this is what we mean. Not why you go to a Igbo people's shop, they will serve you, you have to raise your pinky and all, be drinking this one. That one a detox tea. If you want proper tea, African tea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe until I come your way again with another awesome recipe. Bye guys.